let me just double check. Oh, there we go. Quite a few messages here. Done for 60. All right, and we have Paul on both the room blade. Thank you, man, because last week I was stuck with 2 room blade slots, and I don't play room blade. So, you know what? Just for that, I hope you get the legendary, mate. Good luck. After we've done the break, dude, I'll just send you my PayPal or bank, whatever you want to pay by. Sweet. Yeah, man, that's cool. I understand that. That's all good. Good old delays. The joys of the internet. All right, so I'm just going to get my list back up here so I can get a bit of a thing. This box is a bit different to break, so I'm just going to quickly chuck Paul on this one. Paul. All right, Paul, got you locked in there on box 1 and got you locked in on box 2. All right, guys, good luck. Let's get started, shall we? Yeah, man, no stress. As I said, I trust you. We'll get the beats sorted out soon. Alrighty, here we go. So, room blade off the bat, the Rosetta Thorn, so we'll chuck that there. I might just try and put them like this so I know where they're going. So, we've got lightning slots, earth slots, elemental lightning, first ranger, got a room blade, and amulet of earth. Man, those amulets look sick. I really enjoy them. So where's earth? This box might take a bit longer to do just because generic, that is a pain in the butt because there's so many slots. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm just going to move them up so I can get this sorted because I do not want to mix people's cards up. Which would mean we need the ice slot just there. Alright, Chili Iceman in red for range, that's a good one. Rune Blade, Guardian, which was Element Guardian right there. Element Ranger, and a Rune Blade. If you see me put any cards on pile, guys, just let me know. Also, if you have any cards that are, you know, decent that you want me to sleeve straight away, let me know. I've got the sleeves here on standby. You know, happy to look after your cards for you. All right, so let's do this a bit quicker now. There's the ice that I wanted. I've got the ice slot going too for the ice. Elemental Ranger, Guardian, Lightning, Buzzbolt foil for the Ranger. Nice. Ice, Rune Blade. Nope. What have I done here? I put the earth in the wrong pile. There we go. I need to look at my own rules. Guardian, Ranger, Rune Blade, Guardian, Flake out on the Ranger, and Alexi. I need to get like a little mat with the different slots put on it. I might have to make some up to make my job a bit easier because it's quite confusing with this. Because we've got so many mixtures, but we've got to put them in the right slots. So, elemental action, ice, guardian, earth. Oh, there we go. Channel Lake Frigid for the ice. Nice, majestic. Not a bad card at all. And Chill to the Bone in foil for ice. So a couple of good hits there for ice. For I think Ben is on that one. Earth, Guardian, Ranger, Rune Blade, Guardian, Rune Blade. Tokens we will put into the, I guess, generic slot. Alright, Earth. I'll get fast as we go, people. It's just getting used to where the cards are, that's all. Earth Lord Surge for the foil into Earth, another amulet, Guardian, Guardian token, we'll chuck that in generic. Earth, lightning, momentum, notch, nice, root blade, guardian, and room blade and ranger are not doing too bad. Thank you, packet. Let me get rid of that. Lucky I recycle, eh? Earth, elemental, nice. Another majestic frostlight. That's for the ranger. Good hit, man. Nice. I love those majestic rangers. Foil room blade. Just a normal honing hood. Nothing special. Room blade. 1 and 2. Not much in the old elemental action. Oh, that's because generic and element are together. Duh. I'm thinking 8 slots, but I forgot that the Fable and your element slot is also a slot, which, you know, as we all know, it's not a very often we hit that one, but hopefully we do. It'd be cool to give someone a Fable card at some point. Elemental, Earth, nice. Oh, nice. Channel Thunderstep, lightning. So, yeah, we're sharing the love here with the Majestics. I like to see that. Generic. And my kids are fighting as every stream I do. I've got twin daughters and they just do not get along. Guardian. So Aaron, you're on the lightning slot and the generic and elemental slot. So you scored yourself the Channel Thunderstep, or however you say it. Not a bad little hit for that majestic, pretty useful. I'm really liking the lightning Lexi at the moment. So not a bad one to put in. Entwine Earth, elemental action. Yeah, like I think people are really underutilizing Briar. Like I've versed a few Briar decks, and I think they're quite good, but people seem to not be playing them. I don't know why. Everyone's too focused on Oldheim, and they don't realise that Briar is actually quite badass, especially when he's set with the Thunder, Lightning. Sorry. Generic tokens in the class slots, but whatever. Have I? Huh. Oh, I'll go through them later anyway before I post them, guys. I always double check before I post them, just to make sure. Yeah, no, Aaron, that's my kids, man. They're nuts. Yeah. I mean, I love my daughters, but I'd recommend if you guys have, you know, any of you other guys have kids, just aim for 1 the first time around, because 2 is pretty full on at times. So generic and elemental are together as well. Paul, I don't know if that's what you mean. I just chuck all the like tokens and stuff just in the generic slot to give it a bit more. Moon blades, we've got a foil light action. There we go. I'll be doing a competition as well at some point, guys. So any bit of profit, which I don't make much, I'm putting away to try and buy some prizes and do some giveaways. I'm thinking about doing like maybe a playmat with some 3D heroes or something like that, because I'm going to start making those as well soon, and just for funsies, just to give back to everyone in the group. Into blue. Oh, that's a Guardian. Almost got past me. Almost. Here we go. Flush Freeze Majestic for the Element tool slot. And then a Foil Rejuvenate Field. So we're spreading the Majestics out. I like it. A bit of Lightning, Ranger, Moonblade, Guardian. Oh, well, at least you got it. You might end up with two, mate. That would be sick. Oh, nice. Foil Lightning Press. Very good card. Generic Guardian. Yeah, congrats, dude. Good pull. Let's hope I can have the same luck and pull something nice here for you boys tonight. Moonblade. I think we need a Majestic ball, a double cold foil ball would be nice as well. Sorry, a Fable ball, not a bloody Majestic. Rampart, that'll be a nice little pull if we could get one of those. Arcanic Shockwave for Moonblade. Oh, yeah, that's right. Ranger and Moonblade confusing at times. But Oldheim's a bit off centre there. Oldheim, old him, I don't know how you say it. Old Santa, old dirty Santa. Alright boys, I get it, you're pulling cold foils. Let's just let me pull some, hey? Share it around. Alright, here we go. What do we got? Lightning. No, still haven't hit that cold foil yet. Here we go, Snow Under. Guardian, nice. Oh. Sideways card. It would be good, a nice Fable. No real big hits yet. There it is. No cold foil. Where are you? No, it's just normal. The suspense is killing me. Caution would be nice. That's what we're aiming for here. Oh, nice foil Terrace Under for Guardian. We'll sleeve that bad boy up. You mean this playmat right here, Paul? Foil Terrace Under. Not a bad hit at all for the Guardian slot. which goes to Ben. So just so you guys know, I've got another box of Tales of Aria and another box of Arcane for next week. The Arcane slot's already called dibs. A guy that missed out last one was already put forward that one, so that's gone, but everything else will still be available. I should put those up at some point over the weekend, I reckon. Go from there. Cold foil, yeah, cold foil, Mark of Lightning. So lightning slot gets the cold foil. Elemental Ranger, so that is a really cool looking cold foil though, I must say. So Aaron, lightning for Aaron there. That's the cold foil, if you can see it. Like, I really enjoy the sort of blue coming off the hand. It looks really cool. So lightning takes it. I mean, Aaron's bought the most slots in these breaks, so I'm guessing you know, he probably deserves to get something back. Let's hope for a double cold foil. That would be pretty cool. Really just want to open a Fable. That would be really, really cool. I might just leave the cold foil out. I'll make sure I put that in a nice hard case ASAP. Oh, exposure to the elements, majestic. Exposed, sorry. So that's 2 for the elemental slot. Oh. Guardian, Ranger. Four packs left, and then we'll do the next box. Yeah, polls. I've got. I'm trying to sort of do 2 boxes each week. So next week we'll be doing another Tales of Aria box and a box of Arcane Rising, but the generic slot in the Arcane box is already gone. A guy missed out last week just by a few minutes and promising the next one, so he's already put that order in. But yeah, I'll try and put them up if you guys want ASAP. But if you guys want any of the slots, inbox me. I'll try to, you know, people that are already actively involved with the box openings, I like to give preference to, you know, from week to week, just to get back. You know, you guys are supporting me doing this, so, and I might start running a competition at some point on the page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give extra entries to people that participate in these box slots openings. No worries, dude. Alright, Ryan, do you want both Fable slots on both boxes, mate? Let me know. Happy to do that for you. What sucks about this is, oh, nice. Endless Winter Majestic. The Guardian slot. Man, Guardian getting some good stuff. Who's on Guardian? Guardian is for Ben. Ben, you got some good gear there, man. Elemental. Nice. Yeah, I'm usually the friggin' sucker for the Fable slots and that, but I'm trying to not buy slots in these. Like, I want to stay out of it and just keep it for you guys, because I hop on and buy box slots from Ollie on MTG cards. So yeah, Ben, yep, that's you on Guardian, man. You got some you got a foil Tear Asunder Majestic and another Majestic just then. A couple of good hits. Yet to pull a double cold foil, so that would be interesting. Maybe in the next box. Alright, last pack. Oh, no, that dies. Nice. Good. Nice. Alrighty, there's one box down. Alright, so I'm just going to figure this out. So I'm just going to put your colourful over there. So what have we got next on the second box? We've got Ryan still on the FAB on dual elements, Aaron's still on the lightning, so that's easy. So the ice is going to a different person, it's going to Nathan. So I'm going to put this ice slot over here. And what else we got? Ollie's still on the earth slot, which is easy. Paul's still on the rune blade slot, easy. Just got to straighten things up a bit, otherwise they'll spill everywhere like normal. Aaron is on the guardian slot this time around, so this here guardian slot goes to Ben with the ice slot, so that's Ben's stack. And I've got Raymond on the ranger slot again, so that's easy, and on the lightning slot again, so that's easy. Alrighty guys, so we've got Aaron on lightning, generic, and the guardian slot there, Nathan on the ice, so not many changes, and everyone else is the same. Alrighty. Box 2. Yep, all good, Ben. Stuck them together, man. I don't think, yeah, I think that's it, man. You're just on one well looks. Let's check them up here. I'm going to have to invest in a better camera so I get a bit more space. So, all there, guys. Just so you know. Let's do this. Good luck again, guys. This one should have the legendary, I'm hoping, or the fable, which should be in Gore. Lightning, elemental, ice, lightning. Oh, tear asunder for the guardian slot straight off the bat. Nice. Yeah, Aaron's doing pretty well. I've got some big lots of cards, Majestic up for sale as well, guys, and if you want to get them cheap, hit me up, because I'm trying to put some movement at the moment, so if you want a pretty sick deal, happy to discount them heavily if you always want them. Pretty much just looking at any offers at the moment, just moving them. Free up the old folder. Oh, nice, foil ice storm for the ranger slot. So I'm just going to sleeve that bad boy. That goes to Raymond Scott on foil majestic. Back to the rune blade. I think actually I won a cold foil hammer last night. The promo. I don't know what it is, but oh, nice foil. Sorry, majestic full mate for the elemental action. The elemental action. I think it's safe to say that Aaron's winning tonight. What do you guys think about Crucible not being printed anymore unlimited? That's quite interesting. Quickly stuck the box up just in case. My own little private stash. Never know. Oh, dust bag. Room light, no ranger, room light. No good, dude. No good. Nice. Generic. Yeah, I noticed all the pages are sold out. I picked mine up pretty cheap anyway, from a store that I play out online, so didn't bother me too much. But I thought, I'll chuck it at the back of the cupboard and add to the collection. Oh, okay, so everyone's just panic buying by the sounds then. I mean, I paid the normal price for mine, so I didn't really care too much. But I've seen like a lot of pages were at 100 and then they jack them up to 150 straight away, and I was like, what the hell is going on? Elemental Guardian. It's the best thing about Flesh and Blood. People just panic all the time and buy up things that's great. I love that people are so passionate about the game. Oh, nice. Another channel like printed in the eye slots. This one's going to make a bit of damage on that one. Looks like a printing error. We've missed a little bit of the print there. Just a small dot. Nothing huge, still playable. Still a great card. Nah, well, we haven't missed anything, dude. Just channel 8 fridge for the ice slot and Majestic. I mean, let's face it, we're all just sitting here for the cold foils. That's where the action's at. Most purest form of gambling. As I say to my wife, it could be worse. I could be putting the money through the pokies and getting nothing. At least get cardboard out of this and have a higher rate chance of hitting something decent. Yeah, that's true, man. I'm just someone, I don't really sort of like a bit of everything. I just like playing the game, collecting the game, and growing the community is my biggest aim. Oh, nice. Foil lighted up for the Ranger slot. Man, Raymond's getting a few decent cards tonight. Some good cards there for making Lex anyway. It's just the foil lighted up. Really enjoy the art on this. I actually won one of the mats. It's still coming in the mail. Can't wait to get that to play my Lexi deck. Smash them up, Paul, and then sell them, man. You might get enough money to buy a few cards for free. Oh, that's Earth. I always like when that happens. You buy a card cheap, it goes up a little bit in price, sell it, buy a couple more cards you want. Always be dumb like me and open millions of boxes and then just sit on them. and then go, huh, I've got no more room. Maybe I should sell some stuff. There we go. No. Come on, cold foil. What if you guys open a box with no cold foil? I've seen a few people open with nothing. I would be so pissed if that happened to me. Oh, nice. Another lighted up, non-foil, but still pretty cool. That's two. You need one more for your deck, and you're good to build good old Lightning Lexi. Yeah, no, that would not be cool. I actually contemplated in saving to invest in a box, but I just can't justify that pricing, man. It's crazy. Middle of Lightning. That's weird. Two in a row, one foil, one not. Love to see that printing process. I had one box there when I opened it. The box opened up, it was the exact same card, pretty much in the same order. Very bizarre. Yeah, Rimbo's got a good stack going. Alright guys, we're down to the last 8 packs. Come on, legendary or fabled cold foil. I don't think I've actually pulled a legendary from this set yet. Shouldn't buy them. Haven't opened too many of these though, I guess. Oh, Crackerjack's generic cold foil. Oh, that sucks. Hopefully we'll get a legendary double cold foil would be cool, but still nice. Cold foil Crackerjacks. So goes to Aaron as well. So I think Aaron's got 2 cold foils. We'll put it up here. Aaron, with your other one. Good work, dude. As I said, you did buy the most slots, so you earned it, man. It is a pretty cold foil. Snapshot. There's another cold foil Crackerjacks for you, just to, even it out a bit. Oh god. Sorry, the kids carry on. Need to move my ass, I think. Oh, another Ice Storm for the Ranger. Man, Ranger's getting some good Majestics. Last 4, guys. Oh, nice. Blossom Spell Blade. The Rune Blade, majestic. Now a Flash. Rune Blade's liking those ones. Rune Blade and Ranger have got pretty much double the stack of any other pile. Oh, nice. I do like the 4 little amulets. They look pretty cool. Oh, that's Rune Blade. Showing the Ice Vein photo. That looks badass. Just a blue in it. Last pack, guys. Flank out and just some normal. Yeah, no legendaries, but it looks good. That sucks. Not as good as the last week's. But anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for being involved. A few decent majestics there for you boys. Yeah, so I'll post these out probably tomorrow, I reckon, and I'll send you guys the photos and tracking again. Inbox me if you want slots. If you guys see anything on my list that I've got up, let me know. I'll give it to really cheap and chuck it into your pack as well. So the posts up. I've also got a play mat and things like that. Happy to let it go cheap. And yeah, I'll hopefully see you boys for the next box opening, and you can get in when you can. And yeah, all right, boys, congrats, and see you next week.